We know we can format our Excel worksheet using colours for the background, the font colour, the typeface, but they all fall under a sort of larger banner of theme. So when you go to choose a cell or number of cells, if we take our sales data 2013 as an example file, when we want to control the background colour, we click the background colour choices and we see there are a choice of theme colours or standard colours, and the same with the font, theme colour or standard colours. And you'll even find that under the typeface choices, there are theme fonts and then all fonts. The idea behind a theme is if you keep to the theme, so you keep the same typefaces that are on offer and the same colours that are on offer, you can actually switch themes and all the colours will change consistently. So we have tried to stay with the theme colours. So I change these to a sort of green from the theme choices. If I then want to change the theme, then I'll be changed to whatever colour falls into that same little slot there. Try and think of these as a set of numbers, and then each number can be swapped for a different colour when you change the theme. Now the themes that your sheet responds to are actually under the page layout ribbon, and you can see here themes, and in the drop down there are a number of themes to choose from. There is an office theme, facet, integral, ion, and you can see as I move through the themes, the colours on my sheet behind are actually changing. And because I've stayed within the current theme's choices, the colours will change to the new colour scheme. So let's go with slice, and you can see that the colours have changed quite dramatically. And on the home ribbon, you'll see your new colour choices in the theme slots. I'm still in the same position here as I was previously on the other theme, but I've now got a different colour in that slot. And the same for the font colour. I'm in this slot here, whatever colour that happens to be. The typeface has also changed for this particular theme because the theme fonts are actually Century Gothic as opposed to Calibri. So the typeface and the colours have been changed by the theme. Now within each theme, so if I go back to the page layout, you'll see you can choose a main theme. You can even browse for themes that you might have on your machine and save the current theme if you've made a few changes to it. So although you might think there are only 10 themes to choose from, and I'm currently on the slice, within the slice theme, I can then choose a subset of colours, and those subset of colours are Office, Office 27 to 2010, or Grayscale, or Blue, Red, Blue, and you can see as you move down the colours, it's affecting the sheet behind. Now this patch of colours here, if I pick yellow and orange for example, and go back to the home, that patch of colours feeds into this top line here, and then you have different tints of that same colour choice. So it's not just a set of colours, you have control over a colour scheme, and you can even customise these colours should you so wish, by setting the different accents, the different background colours, and even hyperlink colours. Now within your theme, you can also control the fonts by going Calibri Light, Cambria, and again, as you choose down the list, it's affecting the background. So we could change the default font for the current theme to Candara. And you can see that that affects my sheet. And on top of that, the last thing for our themes are effects. Now you can see that as you move through, nothing is actually affected because these effects affect objects. So the thing we need to do now is actually insert an object. So let's go to the Insert ribbon, Illustrations, Shapes, and we'll choose a simple rectangle and draw that over here. Now you'll find, if we go back to the page layout, and come down to the effects, and as we step through the effects, you'll see that our shape over to the right there is actually responding to the change of effect. The glossy one has the biggest change. So we go back to Office, that's the default effect for effectively new objects. So if you were then to change the theme, you see the object colour changes as well to the colour that is sat in the same colour slot on the colour scheme. So it's that consistency as you move from sheet to sheet, so things look the same colour, same typeface, same size, etc.